おはようございます。シュラフ石田です。今回はドラゴンボールと音楽が大好きな高校生の家主さんです。改めて日本のアニメは世界の共通言語だなと感じました。ということで早速どうぞ。2024年2月2日、台北ジョンシャン駅前にやってきました。今日はこちらでお家を探していきたいと思います。ジョンシャンの皆さん、よろしくお願いします。よろしくお願いします。
恥ずかしいね。
恥ずかしい。I am マサル。
マサル。
Yes. You?
I'm Alan.
Alan.
How long will you stay in Taiwan?
2 weeks.
2 weeks?
My plan is go to Kaohsiung.
Kaohsiung?
Yes, yes,
Oh, I
yes.
will go to Kaohsiung too, tomorrow.
Tomorrow? So your hometown is Kaohsiung?
Yeah, my hometown.
So you study in Taipei. Chinese New Year, you come back Kaohsiung.
Yeah. Spend time with my family.
What study in Taipei?
I'm high school student.
High school student?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I'm not an adult.
Your looks is adult.
Yeah.
Oh. How many years old?
17.
17?
Yeah. And you?
32.
So,
Why you study in Taipei, not to Kaohsiung?
oh, because I think Taipei is more better.
More better?
Yeah. Oh, my dad live in Kaohsiung. Me and my mom live in Taipei.
What you doing in Zhongshan?
My guitar lesson.
Guitar? You go to guitar school?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of?
One.
Private lesson?
Yeah.
But you don't have guitar.
I use my teachers. Oh, I watch some animation.
Animation?
Animation, yeah.
For example?
Like Oshinoko no?
推しの子。
Oshinoko?
推しの子。
And Blue Rock.
ブルーロック。
You know?
Yes, I know, I know.
Do you watch animation?
Yes, 鬼滅の刃。デモンスレイヤー。
Oh, that was. One Piece.
ワンピース、I know.
Dragon Ball?
ドラゴンボール、I know. So you speak Japanese 1.10?
Just a little bit. Our high school have a like major second language. My second language is Japanese.
You choose second language Japanese.
Yeah, I can listen a little bit. But my speaking is not as good as well.
I see. じゃあ行きましょう。
行きましょう。はじめまして。
はじめまして。
お名前は？
私はマサルです。
マサルです。
あなたは？
エレンです。
アレンです。
17歳。
お
高校生です。
ピチピチです。
ピチピチ。
ピチピチ means fresh。
どうぞよろしく。
どうぞよろしくお願いします。
お願いします。
お願いします。そうですね。お願いします。
はい。
ありがとうございます。
いや。
すみません。すみません。Most used in Japan。すみません。よいしょ。お邪魔します。
どうぞ。
ピアノ、ギター。
いや、それ。
So your family like music?
No, my family don't play music, but I like music.
Only you?
Yeah, only me.
This guitar use?
Yeah, and piano.
On piano?
And I make some music on my own. I can record my guitar.
Recording?
And piano. And I can do like mix
Mix. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Can I hearing your song?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Ah, 谢谢。
哦，不客气。
いいね。
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 But I didn't sing here. I haven't.
ほうほうほう。
So it's just instrument.
あ、インストゥルメント、ミュージック。はあ。This drum is you?
Oh yeah, everything is me.
Into soft
Yeah.
typing. Oh, vocal.
Yeah.
You?
Yeah.
すごいね。
ちょっと恥ずかしいね。I haven't been.
Not yet.
Oh, I got it. You have so here.
Oh. これでこれでこれで
Oh, dude, yeah.
ああ、かっこいいね。
Yeah, I haven't been.
Thank you. あ
Oh, I'm gonna take a shower.
あ、OK。どうぞどうぞ。あ
You can look around.
あ、おお、広いね。
That's my mom.
Your mother and you room? ウィンドウついてるね。
Oh,
ウィンドウ。へえ。
Oh, it's 神楽様。
神楽様。You like?
Yeah.
ここでこう挨拶ハローってできるね。You graduate after you go to university?
Yeah, I'll go to Taiwan's university, but maybe I will go abroad. I might go abroad to learn guitar, but it's still too early to study music at my age.
17?
So maybe I'll study in Taiwan to get university degree and then go American or maybe go Japan. Japan got a music school called MI.
MI?
Yeah, it's a Japanese school to learn guitar.
You go to abroad and you learn guitar more better? Why? What's different Taiwan or abroad learn guitar?
Japan have some music school like MI
to
to major.
So you think you go to abroad more high quality learning guitar?
Yeah.
In future you wanna become a musician?
Yeah, kind of. Or maybe a producer.
A producer? いいね。So you are a child, you live in Kaohsiung with family. You go to high school in Taipei. You and your mother go to Taipei and live in here.
Yeah.
So Papa is in Kaohsiung and working in Kaohsiung.
そうです。
パパ寂しいね。
寂 楽しいね。そうですね。
最近はどんなアニメを見ていますか？
フリーレン。
ははははフリーレンね。
はい。
I know.
Oh, but I play a game. It's Dragon Ball.
ドラゴンボール。
You know this one?
スマホゲームね。
Yeah.
ドッカンバトル。I never play, but I know.
Oh, you know this one?
Yes, famous game in Japan. Yes.
Really?
You like Dragon Ball?
かっこいい。
かっこいい。
I watch sometimes and play their game.
What character you like?
Vegeta.
ベジータ。
ベジータ。
ナンバー2。
Number 2.
Forever number 2.
I like his hardworking. Goku always stronger than Vegeta. Vegeta is more. I prefer Vegeta. Vegeta. Their future.
ベジット。かっこいい。This is your homework?
It's a presentation.
Presentation?
I got the presentation, the whole student. It's about music.
About music?
Introduce my song and show how I make it.
How many people?
500?
500? You front standing.
Yeah, in front of me.
すごいですね。
ちょっと怖い。
ちょっと怖いね。You are famous in high school. 8.10. So, see you tomorrow. おやすみなさい。はい、ということでこんばんは。アレンさんのお家で一晩お世話になります。ありがとうございました。おはようございます。You? No? This year? モテるでしょう。
モテるでしょ。
Maybe モテいただきます。おいしい。ごちそうさまでした。Okay, I will go. So, ありがとうございました。はい、じゃあね。なんと登録者数が1000人を超えました。めでたいですね。ありがとうございます。こんな感じで旅をしながら毎週日曜日に動画を上げてるんで、ぜひ来週も見てくださいね。ありがとうございました。バイバーイ。